Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two accounting software to help you decide which of these accounting software would be a better option for you. So to get started with QuickBooks and FreshBooks analysis. QuickBooks in 2025 is ideal for small to mid-sized business needing a full-featured accounting system. It offers a powerful tools for invoicing, expense tracking, inventory payroll, and detailed financial reporting. It also integrates with banks and other business apps while very capable. It can be overwhelming for beginners and become more expensive as features are added. On the other hand, Facebook, by contrast, is built for freelancers, small service-based businesses that prioritize simplicity. It's easy to use with clean invoicing and time tracking, basic accounting, and a client communication tools. However, it lacks some advanced features like inventory management or deep customization, making it less suitable for larger or more complex operations. In conclusion, choose QuickBooks for a robust, scalable accounting features and go with FreshBooks if you are a freelancer or a small business owner who valued simplicity and easy client billings. And that's it.